Before downloading MAXScribe, it's important to verify that your computer meets the system requirements. The system requirement can be viewed at this link on our website at any time. Be sure you have your MAXScribe PKC. This is a 10-digit alphanumeric code that was provided to you after signing up for MAXScribe. The PKC is used to activate your software upon installation. To download the MAXScribe software, open a web browser and visit stenograph.com. Choose Downloads from the blue bar and select MAXScribe from the drop-down. When the MAXScribe page opens, right-click on the link seen here and choose Save Link As. When the dialog box appears, browse to the location where you'd like to save the MAXScribe installation file. We recommend you choose the desktop or download folder for easy retrieval. Watch carefully for notifications, because your browser may tell you that the link cannot be downloaded securely. You can safely ignore this message by first finding the menu for more options in the warning message provided by your browser. By selecting the upward pointing arrow in the warning message, you should be able to select Keep in order to continue the download. To initiate the installation, open the setup file when the download completes, or navigate to the location where it was downloaded, which is usually the Downloads folder or the desktop. The setup file is titled Setup MAXScribe and displays the green Max icon that you see here. Simply double-click on it to begin installing. If a message appears, you may need to allow the program to make changes to your computer. But then you'll see the Welcome to MAXScribe setup wizard appear. Click Next. At the License Agreement screen, choose I accept the terms of the license agreement and click Next. At the MAXScribe security screen, type in your product key code or PKC that we referred to in the beginning and click Next. If you do not enter your PKC, you will be prompted for it the first time you open MAXScribe. At the Choose Components screen, choose Typical and click Next. If you are installing MAXScribe to a different directory such as a network, choose Custom. At the User Information screen, type in your first and last name as a username and click Next. Confirm the installation settings at the following wizard screen and click Install. The setup will now begin installing MAXScribe on your computer. You'll see a status bar as MAXScribe takes a few seconds to install. Once setup has finished installing MAXScribe on your computer, you can choose to launch MAXScribe immediately. You can also opt to open and review the README information about the application if you wish. Then, click Finish. If you see an eKey setup screen like this, choose the Automatic eKey button at the bottom. The next step is to create a MAXScribe account if you do not already have one. Click Create New Account now to begin. Fill out your personal information here. Do not use parens, dashes, or dots in your phone number. Just numbers. Then, set a new password. The password should be at least 8 characters with at least 1 capital and lowercase letter and 1 number. Be sure not to use any special characters, just letters and numbers. Click Next when you're ready. On the New Account Company Information screen, it's important to type in the company information exactly as you entered it on your Terms of Use agreement. Click Next when complete. You'll see a message stating that you've successfully created a MAXScribe account. Click Finish. Now that your account is created, your email and password are populated here. Click Next to log in. Congratulations, you're now logged in. Click Finish and you're done. You'll be directed to the MAXScribe home screen to begin working. If you have additional questions or need assistance, you can contact the technical support team by calling the number displayed here or sending an email to this address.